Innovation is happening right under our noses no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some of the most groundbreaking new technologies in development around the globe. We start in one of the most unpleasant places in Portugal, the sewer. Sewer inspection is a dirty job, but someone has to do it. Fortunately, that someone may soon be a robot. Engineers at Portugal's IDMind and their partners are developing an autonomous vehicle to patrol a city's underbelly. The robot is outfitted with a high-quality video camera and environmental sensors that allow it to handle difficult sections of the sewer. Its 6 large tires can trawl through even the worst sludge and grime with ease. The robot uses wireless communication tools to relay footage back to operators on the surface, who can then diagnose any issues. The hope is to use this autonomous inspector to improve the quality of sewer inspections while keeping engineers out of harmful situations. Next, we head to Boston for a radical spin on the printing process. Think 3D printing is impressive? Try printing with sound. That high pitch you just heard wasn't background noise. It was controlling the size of those droplets spouting from the nozzle. Researchers at Harvard have devised a technique that uses sound waves to print liquids in extremely precise dosages. The resonator used in the process creates an acoustic field at the tip of the nozzle that is more than 100 times the normal force of gravity. This allows each droplet to be pulled down precisely when it reaches the right size. This acoustic printing technique can be used to produce anything from pharmaceuticals to liquid metals with extreme accuracy. And manufacturers everywhere like the sound of that. And lastly, we find ourselves buzzing above Italy. That's where drones are patrolling the skies to carry out some very important work. A trio of companies called the SAGA consortium are using swarms of drones to survey farmers' fields. These drones are outfitted with artificial intelligence that can plot out flight paths autonomously and distinguish between crops and weeds. Some drones fly at high altitudes above the farmland to identify trouble spots. They then report their findings to drones flying at lower altitudes, which get a closer picture of the types of weeds that have infected a specific area. Using drones in this way allows farmers to gather more accurate data about their crops in less time. That way, they can perform only necessary field maintenance, saving them time and money. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.